Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got this kit from last month, not quite a month ago, not even close to a month ago, but anyway, my last month's order from Hobby Nut Models. I got this kit here, and I thought it was the most cool looking Porsche race car ever. It's an older car. It looks like it's somewhere 1976 World Championship, but Jägermeister. I love German stuff. I always thought that I was German coming up. The last name Inman. My dad always said we were German, but Daddy got it wrong. We were actually English, and that's an English name, but it's I-N-M-A-N. That's Inman, like an innkeeper. That's where the name came from. But then I have a friend that's last name is Hinman, H-I-N-M-A-N, and guess what? They are German. So I was like, man, I was only one letter off. But anyway, I love German. I love the culture. It's really cool to me. I love to go to German restaurants and just see the, I don't know, it's just cool to me. But this Jägermeister Porsche, when I saw it on Mark's website, I was like, man, I'd really like to have that. So it's a Porsche RSR Type 934. Still sealed up. I've never seen the inside of it because she's all plasticed in place, and I'm about to open it up, and I'm pretty sure it's just a curbside kit, but cool as can be. And guess what? My favorite color is orange, so it couldn't be any better than that. So let's unwrap her and see what this thing has inside the box. Tamiya, man, you don't get much better than that. I'm sure there are better than that, but oh boy, as far as quality goes, any Tamiya kit I've ever built, man, they're nice. Alright, here we go. So, the Porsche Turbo RSR Type 934 Jägermeister. Here we go. Check it out. Oh! Bright orange. Sweet. Bright orange. Everything about a Tamiya kit is just jammed up. Yeah, it's a curbside, so it does have the lower portion of the engine. I want to check out these rubber tires here. Oh man, those things are nice and soft. It feels like a real race car tire, like if you had a slot car or something. Man, that is something else there. There's no name. I don't know if there's a, looks like to me on the box, they don't have any names on them, so they're just tires. Remember back in the day when you go to the grocery store and they had the generic aisle, and they would have the white cans. Now if you're younger than, oh, let's say 40, you probably don't remember this, but they would have an aisle, not just an aisle, but there would be a section that would just be generic stuff. Green beans. I remember my granddad would get cigarettes. It was a white pack of cigarettes, said cigarettes. Well, these are tires, just tires. So yeah, this would be a nice little kit to slump bust or get out of a slump. Ooh, I might have to build this. There's your chassis. There's the bottom side with the Boxer 6-cylinder engine. Very nicely detailed, but simple. There's your turbocharger. Where the heck would that go? Let's see, where's the turbo go? Does it dump out the bottom? No, I don't know. It must dump out the... I ain't sure where the turbo goes. It just goes, hangs back here in the back, I guess. Got nice vented disc brakes. Very cool. Oh man, those springs are jammed up. Look at that. Those things are nice. Such fine detail. Here's your front struts, upside down, but that's them. Front, your rack, and then your rear suspension. Got your glass, your side door windows right here. Can't really see them. Front and rear glass. Yeah, this would be a fun build. Very fun build. I can't wait to see the decals. Look at that seat. Too cool. There's your steering. Wow, this kit is amazing as far as the quality. just absolutely amazing. You cut the little places off where it's hooked to the sprue. I don't see any cleanup at all. I mean, this is amazing. Roll bar, all a bunch of roll bar stuff. Dashboard. Looks like exhaust right there. Rear axles, CV joints. Oh, it's CV axles? Yeah, CV axles. Parts of the air intake over the rear of the hood, the windshield wipers, sway bars. Too cool. Now these wheels in the picture are gold, so you'd have to go in there. Uh-oh, there's a staple. You'd have to go in there and paint the centers gold, which would be no problem at all. Nice. There's the headlight buckets. And for the body, I mean, it just don't get no better than that. That is so nice. I am not even joking when I say zero cleanup. Mold lines right there. That's it, right on top of the fenders. Got a mold line. It looks like, I don't know if that one's supposed to be there. There's a mold line right there. That's it. That thing is so nice. Look at that. Look how flared out that is. Isn't that nice? Wow. So Tamiya 2013. Super cool. Alright, let's check out the... Oh, it's got some photo etch too. Comes with this little tech tips. Background information on the car, but you can't read it because it's in Japanese. Oh, well, there we go. And we've got the instruction booklet. Man, look at all the little pieces on that thing. Look at that. I'll just open it up. Full roll cage. It's nice. Very cool. Alright, so here's some photo etch that comes with it for the grills. So those right there. There's those, and then there would be quite a bit of other photo etch. That's nice. Pedals. Man, very nice. And here's the decal sheet. Let's see if we can. See what the decals look like, or the decals. Oh yeah. Jägermeister, 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 and one more Jägermeister. And Max Mortz Porsche. And the Jägermeister emblem. Too cool, man. That is too cool. Got seat belts, all of your, got some contingency, got Bilstein, Valvoline, Porsche. Got the instrument panel, seat belts. Very nice. And the numbers. What would you be? Would you be 24 or would you be 25? I don't know. It's a good question, Matthew. I don't know what number I'd be. Number 1, man. There's another. No, that was just a box. Okay, well, there is the unboxing of the Tamiya Porsche Turbo RSR Type 934 Jägermeister Porsche. Isn't that cool? Well, this video is done. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if you've ever built this kit. I can't wait, man. This is cool. This is really neat. Looks like a nice, quick, fun build. And that's what we need sometimes. Get bogged down into details, and it's good to get one that's quick, a little easier, and still could win a show, even as a curbside kit. So yeah, this is nice. Anyway guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to go check out Hobby Nut Models, where this kit came from. So go over there if you like the Jägermeister Porsche. I can hook you up with one over there at Hobby Nut Models. So go click that link in the description of the video. Please hit that link. It helps me out when you click on that particular link to carry you to Hobby Nut Models. And I'd appreciate that. Thank you to all you guys who participate in the Facebook group. If you haven't joined already, go check out Model Car Videos Facebook group, linked in the description of this video, as well as the Spring Store. We can grab yourself a cool t-shirt or a coffee mug with the Model Car Videos logo on it. And thank you to all my Patreon members. You guys are awesome. But most importantly, thank you to all you that are watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and comment. So you guys are great. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all on the next video. All right, take care.